Terry, can you talk a little bit about the offense early going? I know you only have a few starters back, but what your expectations are?
Every year Cathedral has a high expectation of a high tempo offense. This is no different, even though we have a different quarterback every year. That puts no bearing on how our offense wants to run. That quarterback is expected to step it up. But as an offense, I think we've been working since the summer and things like that, so we're coming together pretty well. We have some spots to fill, but the guys that we have been really filling the spots pretty well, and we're coming together just in the right amount of time for the game this week.
Can you talk about have you developed some chemistry with Colin since the end of last season? And I'm sure he threw to you in the past too. So.
Oh, definitely. It's nice to finally have a quarterback in my class. I came in with them and played freshman ball with them, played JV ball with them. So I know him pretty well. We're pretty cool off the field as well. So I have a lot of confidence in his ability and things like that. He's shown a lot of improvement. His arm strength has gotten a lot better. And he's putting the ball in really good spots for our receivers to make plays. So I'm really excited to see what he's going to do this year.
Any expectations for yourself? We already have the commitment to Ohio State, but I'm sure now you just want to look on and maybe get that first 5A championship for the team.
Yeah, that's the main focus. I wanted to get recruiting out the way before summer. I'm happy to be a part of Ohio State and things like that, but I'm focusing on my senior year and things like that. I'm just probably trying to improve myself, work on the things that the coaches from Ohio State wanted me to work on, and also the goals I had set for myself this year. Getting in and out of my cuts quicker, catching the ball clean with my hands and things like that. Just little things that could set my game apart this year. But basically, we want to take it game by game. This year we've always kind of looked ahead. This year we're taking each game by itself and not worrying about state right now. So first game's been Davis. That's what we're worried about right now. So.